Welcome to WebStarBus. Fizzbuzz is a simple programming task asked in coding interview questions or given as an assignment to test programming capabilities. It's also a good exercise for beginners to practice control flow in computer programming. So, what is a Fizzbuzz problem, or what are the rules of Fizzbuzz? The idea is to write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to n, replacing multiples of 3 with fizz, multiples of 5 with buzz, and multiples of both 3 and 5 with fizzbuzz, or print fizz if number is divisible by 3, buzz if number is divisible by 5, and fizzbuzz if number is divisible by both 3 and 5. N is any given number. That will be the end of loop. Loop has to go from 1 to n number. In this video, we will implement Fizzbuzz in JavaScript. Before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, to implement Fizzbuzz in JavaScript, we need to know iteration or loops and modulus. So what is a loop? If this sequence of instructions is executed repeatedly, it is called a loop, and the computer is set to iterate through the loop. And modulus or mod is a remainder that is left over when a number is divided by another. For example, if we divide 7 by 3, we get remainder 1. If we divide 6 by 3, we get remainder 0. After division, remainder is modulus, and this is modulus operator. Let's implement Fizzbuzz in JavaScript. Create a function with a parameter. Call this function with an argument. Now the given number is 20, and this number is available for function to use through n. Let's comment function call for the time being and use for loop. Let I smaller than or equals to n, increment I by 1, and I should be equal to 1 from start. So iteration will start from 1. For loop will iterate over variable and will increment up to provided number that will provide here. So if I modulus 3 is equal to 0 and I modulus 5 is equal to 0, console log Fizzbuzz. Else if I modulus 3 is equal to 0, console log fizz. Else if I modulus 5 is equal to 0, console log buzz. Else console log I. Uncomment function call, and here is the output. So loop will iterate through 20 numbers. If number is divisible by 3 and 5, print fizzbuzz. Here 15 is divisible by 3 and 5, so it printed fizzbuzz here. If number is divisible by 3, print fizz, like here. Instead of 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, it printed fizz because these are divisible by 3. If number is divisible by 5, print buzz. 5, 10, 20. We used console log here. We can also declare an array and push result in the array. At the end, we can print array items like so. Same function call, same for loop, but here we declared an array, const result. And if the number is divisible by 3 and 5, we are pushing fizzbuzz in this array. If divisible by 3, we are pushing fizz in array. If it is divisible by 5, we are pushing buzz in array. Else, we are pushing simple number in array. And at the end, we are displaying items from array. We can also return the result but we used map function to display these items in a better manner. But this method is clean. So this is how we implement Fizzbuzz in JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.